Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today I'm going to tell you how to disable Facebook account permanently. If you want to disable your Facebook account permanently, so just follow these steps. First, open your Facebook app, and here you just have to select the menu option. Just tap on it, and now scroll down and look for settings and privacy. Here's that, just tap on it, and then tap on settings. And now here you have the option of account center. Just tap on it. And here just scroll down and look for personal details. Here's that, just tap on it, and then tap on account ownership and control. Just tap on it, and here select deactivation or deletion of account. Just tap on it, just select your Facebook account, and now you just have to select the second option, which is delete account. Just tap on it and then tap on continue. After that, your Facebook account will be permanently deleted. So that's how you can delete your Facebook account. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.